Hey guys, as you can see, we are on to another topic, and this topic is going to be on optimizing PPC campaign. As I showed you earlier, how you can download your PPC reports from going to reports tab and then going to advertising reports. And after you download the PPC report, that we ran automatic campaign for 10 days after getting those reports on Excel sheet. What you have to do is you have to look out for keywords that you got sales from on those 10-day period, guys, and you have to copy those keywords and paste it in WordPress, guys. It's as simple as that. You just have to download the report and look at which keyword you got sales from on those 10-day period and copy those keyword on WordPress. And further, what you have to do is I will be showing you it in my secret PPC strategy video, guys.